Go behind whoever. I'm not racing.
Hurry up! But I'm gonna go very slow, so you can go behind or in front.
Yeah, you have to go ahead so you know where to stop.
I'm atrociously slow. You might want to.
Eric, what's up?
How are you?
Good, good. How have you been?
Not too bad, can't complain.
Wait, Scarlett, I'm not gonna do it. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, he's the one up kind of waiting.
She stops, she's not doing it. She stopped.
Like, I've been just coming up, like here.
You got it, you got it. You got it. You got it, keep going. You got it. You got it, you got it. Oop.
I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you. Oh.
All right.
Hit the tip
Stay
of that
safe.
wall.
I saw it. You're okay, you're okay. Like the smoothest crash. I wouldn't even say it's a crash, you just like lay down. And from here, you're good. Aiden! What's up, bro? You're racing?
Air off. No, I'm doing film.
Oh, really?
Honestly, I wish I raced. You? Straight.
The whole thing? Scarlett is not bad. Like, aim this one.
Yeah, but I'm gonna go like over the bars.
No, don't break. Just do. Once you're here, you're kind of like doing like this, and then you kind of like push down. You push down so your weight transfers to the back. So if you're like kind of steady, your bike's gonna go, you're gonna go over. So once you're here, like right here, the wheel, and then you just like push down so your weight transfers to the back.
Robbins, we go to the left.
Hmm?
To the left.
You can too. You can take this line right here.
Dale, te fuiste. Dale, bien, bien. Bien. Dale, dale, fuerte.
Go, 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 go.
Sigue, sigue. Bien.
Yes!
Bien.
Finally! The section is. Go, go.
The rest is...
Oh, those compressions are tough.
Paddle, 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 paddle.
Oop.
Bien.
¿Está bien? Go, Scarlett, go, go.
Okay, go.
Okay, today we're at Mountain Creek. It's Scarlett.
Hello.
Meeks. Okay, Scarlett, what do you think of the track today?
It's pretty rocky. It's gnarly, and you can't go slow.